Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing video. Today we have Vivo Y39, a 5G phone that has been recently launched at the price of rupees 16,999. But the bigger question arises, is this really a worth phone to buy under the 70,000 price bracket? Let's find out in this video. So first of all, we are going to look at the box. So box package is quite similar to the previous Vivo phones. Inside the box, you get the phone, you get a TPU cover, you also get a charging brick of 44 watt, a Type-C to USB cable, and some paperwork. But directly coming to the design and the build of the phone looks amazing in this lotus purple color. Also, there is a blue color available, but I like this one more. So on the first glance, the back looks quite amazing. There is a Vivo branding given over here. On the top, you get a circular camera module with the Aura light system. Yes, the Vivo iconic Aura light system comes on this phone. On the right, you get volume rocker and power on off button with touch sensor. On the bottom, there is a speaker grill, a Type-C port, and a microphone. On the left side, you only get the SIM tray to insert your new 5G SIM. So in the overall way, the design looks quite amazing. Coming to the display part, it's a HD plus resolution display of 6.68 inches. On the first glance, display look quite good, sharper, brighter, and yes, the brand claims 1000 nits of brightness, so you can use it in the outdoor scenarios. As I can see, it's quite capable to use in harsh sunlight scenario. Although you do not get a full HD plus resolution display or quad HD display, this display is quite decent for regular usage. But yes, you get a 120 Hz refresh rate, so you can use it quite smoothly, even you are gaming or you are using it in a regular way. So in overall way, the display is quite decent. But now coming to the most important part, that is the performance. So this phone is packed up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, which is an octa-core processor with 2.2 GHz clock speed. Well, this is a quite of an old chipset that you can get under 10,000 rupees phone also. So at this price, I don't think so this chipset make any sense. I personally believe they should have gone with 6th generation chipset on this particular model. Well, the good part on this chipset is that this phone is packed up with 8 GB of RAM. It also comes in two different variants, 128 GB and 256 GB variant for the storage. So now in overall way, with the software features, you can expand your storage as well as your RAM by cutting down your internal storage. So in overall way, if you're using it for the daily usage and multitasking and capturing some content, you can regularly use this phone with quite good space. Now coming to the camera part, that is the most important part. The phone features a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel bokeh sensor. Daylight photography is quite good, but low light performance is average. So on that point, they have provided you the Aura light thing that can help you a little bit in the night photography, so you can impress the people around you. But coming to the selfie point of view, there is only a 8 megapixel front camera. That is quite decent, not the best I would say, but yes, you can use it for the video calling and all purpose, but not for the good selfies. But now coming on to the main key USP of this phone, this is powerhouse. Yes, this phone is packed up with 6500 mAh battery. At this price, no other phone is providing you such a massive battery performance. So in overall technical way, you can use this phone up to 2 days. It makes a great choice for the person, the family member or the business person who really want good battery life. Also, brand has packed up a 44 watt fast charger into the box, so you can use it for the fast charging. Plus, this phone works on Android 14. It's a 5G phone. You also get the iconic Fun Touch OS 15 with the Vivo phone. That is quite decent. I'm not really a big fan of this particular OS, but yes, you can use it in a regular way. So finally, it's time for the conclusion. I personally believe this phone is a bit overpriced. If you look at the pros, there are a lot of things like 6500 mAh battery, 120 Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, that is stable performance chipset. But I personally believe that Snapdragon 6 Gen would make a great sense on this phone. As of you can see on the con side, HD plus display resolution are not that great. If you're watching content, you might get disappointed. Average camera performance in the low light conditions that can really annoy you if you're capturing low light photos. So in overall way, I would believe that this phone is great deal under 15,000 rupees. If the pricing are more than that, then I would personally suggest you can go with some other option. Alright, that's it from my side. If you guys have any kind of question, you can comment me down below. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such unboxing and review.